Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel today I want to show you how I make my Africa starch. This is very lovely, easy to bake without no stress. This is good. When you make it, starch is very good. Starch, they get it from cassava. I add water to my starch and I mix it thoroughly. You mix it till it gets smooth. It's very good. Starch is so yummy. You can use it to eat any type of soup. You can use it to eat any type of soup, and it's so light and lovely. If you don't know how to make starch, this is how to make starch. You have to add water, let the water be light, so you raise up your hand and see that the water is so light. So guys, this is very good. So this is palm oil. I add palm oil to it. Okay, if you don't want oil, you can add a little bit of turmeric, or if you don't want oil, you can just make it that way. Okay, this is palm oil. So this is it. I'm just making it, setting the time to make it, but I was not watching the time though. In this aspect, you need to be there, just be turning it. Okay, you have to concentrate in turning it because it needs you to be turning it. If you get and you abandon it, it's going to have a lot of lumps, which is not good. But if you keep on turning it this way, very soon you will see some, in some minutes you'll be getting thicker. You see now it's changing and some thickness is coming out. So now it's getting thicker, this time you need a little bit of strength. Is good for your hands, so it's exercise for your hands. So now you have to roll it more. So this is after 10 minutes. You see there is no lumps, because why? I didn't leave it to go and relax. Okay, so this is it. You see the texture is very soft and cool, yummy guys. This is lovely. So you go and try it out. You are going to love your starch. When you eat it, you will not feel heavy. You can eat it with pepper soup. You can eat it with any soup. So it's ready. So now I'm going to be cutting it and be eating mine. So in this aspect, it was so heavy for me. I have to call my husband to come and help me out. So my husband helped me out. So if you can do it, you can do it. Yes. So now I remove it so that the down will not start entering. So this is it. I cut it. I start eating with my pepper soup. Bye. Try it out. Okay. So